Greetings, ladies and gents. We're live at GF4K Arts Creative Weekly Broadcast Network. As you folks may have noticed, we're having a completely different report unlike any other. While we believe providing tutorials are a contributing factor to creative success, we also believe that offering art advice to you folks multiplies your chances of prosperity. Are you dedicated to putting your name at the Hall of Fame? Do you want to draw for a living? Or maybe you're planning to impress your future girlfriend? Whatever the reasons may be, people who love drawing are allegedly lacking the time to do so due to corporate work, piles of school and homework, your wife Karen-style asking for your bank account and pension, and reportedly proceeds to divorce you and other life factors of the sort. Worry not, folks. The voice reporter will be here at your side to help you draw more if you do not have the time. According to the Department of Creativity, approximately 99.8% of the local population of ages 18 to 24 are allegedly lacking or having difficulties mastering this vital key to their art career. And that, folks, is time management. Time management, as its name implies, is the act of using one's time wisely. Although time management is a tough challenge, there are 3 things you can do to beat the system and eventually rise above creative prosperity. Number 1. Make a schedule and do your best to adhere to it. As redundant as it may sound, schedules in fact guide your routine. Depending on your circumstance, it is important to know your daily routine, as it will serve as your stepping stone into crafting a delicious schedule. For instance, the voice reporter is allegedly busy in both school and work as he barely uploads more content to the channel. So, he takes this opportunity to ask people watching this video to subscribe to the channel in order to help him create more entertaining and informative art content such as these. Now here's the thing, folks, whether you are a student of middle, high, and especially college, you would use about 80 to 90% of your day. Not to mention those scalp pulling assignments that your teachers give you. No matter how you set up your schedule, you should reserve at least 10 to 20% of vacant time to be spent on your drawings. And more details about that unlocks the second strategy, which is to invest more time on small practices instead of hour-long projects. If you're the person who spends over 2 to 3 hours over a single drawing with life priorities, stop now. As a student, worker, or both, we all know what to prioritize, and that is life. Thus, it is unnecessary to spend more than enough time on drawing, like trying to surpass Da Vinci's Mona Lisa, or inking like Kim Jong-gi. Instead, focus on small practices such as drawing exercises that only shave a couple of minutes from your time. Not only will save you time, but it also helps you develop multiple skills, such as your motor skills, your mental library, and the fundamentals. Drawing exercises such as thumbnailing and gesture drawing allegedly takes about 5 to 10 minutes max for an average artist. For paying 10 to 20% of your remaining time of your day for practices means you're getting more than what you paid for. Unfortunately, this won't be possible if you do not combine it with the third strategy, which is Shinzo Sasageo! Shinzo Sasageo! Sesame! Sesame! Bear with us, folks. It takes more than hours, days, and ultimately years to be able to draw professionally. Behind the canvas of beefy masterpieces like these lies years of hard work and dedication. Should you wish to rise above and make a name for yourself, it is better to start earlier than later. And we're specifically talking to you, middle school and high schoolers. The more you grow up, the less time you will have for yourselves. And you have to understand that you will have to dedicate your hearts into this long journey. No matter if you wish to draw for a living, as a hobby, for fame, and the sort, even small sketch practices help a ton as aforementioned. Remember, folks, once you commit yourselves, bear in mind that it is also important to have fun with the process. While drawing is learning, drawing should also be fun if you know and love what you are doing. Your creativity is your voice. Shout it out to the canvas and show that you are an artist with potential. So, instead of stressing out life, I'd rather watch GF4K Arts by calling our 24/7 hotlines at 1800-SUBSCRIBE, 1800 post notifications, 1800 like, and 1800 share. Have a great day or night. GF4K Arts. Whoa, 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 Director. I know I'm Asian, but I would like to repeat the, what do you call this? The third strategy, yeah. I forgot something about my line. Please.
Oh my carbonara, hurry up!
Okay. Shinzo Sasageo!
Shinzo Sasageo! Sesame!